Today I have for you these furniture risers or bed risers by ETTGN. And I have got the ones in black, and these are the 4-inch. These do come in 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6-inch. This particular pack of the 4-inch can accommodate up to 6,000 pounds. Pretty amazing. So even the heaviest furniture, heaviest bed, you've really got a nice product here. I also love at the bottom, we do have little rubber kind of protectors. This helps so these don't slide around. So once you get the weight on there, that's really going to help. I also love the texturing. That is also going to help without not really having to worry about slipping and moving around. So really great features on these bed risers that I haven't seen on others. But I'm going to go ahead and show you on my table exactly how these work. And then just to show you, I've just got that positioned right there in the corner. Really nice fit. Same with over here. Just get that nicely into the corner. And you get that nice rise. And there is the whole use of the bed risers or furniture risers. Really a great product, solid, and I absolutely love them.